Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing video for you. These are the New Rock spiderweb boots. I believe the model is M.710-S3, but don't quote me on that. I got these second hand for £40, which is an absolute steal. One thing about me is that I am a massive cheapskate, and one really good way of getting things for cheap is to buy them second hand, which is also a really good alternative to fast fashion. So let's get unboxing. Been wanting these boots for ages, just could never afford them. I love them already. So yeah, they are second hand, they have been worn, they have been used, but I'd say they're in fairly good condition actually. The New Rock badge on the back has a crack, and on this one the seller said it was missing, which it is. But yeah, apart from that, they're really good condition. Yeah, really like them. Yeah, I have the spiderweb hair and now I have the spiderweb shoes, although my hair's probably going to change in like a week or something. So they're a size 6 and I'll try them on for you as well and pop back in and let you know how they fit. So I just tried them on, they fit absolutely perfectly. I am so pleased. I cannot tell you how long I've wanted these boots. So that's it for the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, buy second hand, and let me know about your best bargains as well. See you next time.